Okay, it's gone. Today we're playing Pet Simulator again. What the heck are you doing? Yes, I just told you, Josh! Oh my god! Okay, anyways. So, I got like 2 new pets. There's a dog manor one. What? Okay, that's someone gave me. And then I also got this golden rainbow pet thing. Hold on. I also, no, not that. I also got the gold thing, whatever that is, rainbow. Someone gave me that also. Wait, what is Okay, I don't know what you I'm trying to talk to me. Okay, sorry guys, so you're checking this, so you're looking at my Discord. I just don't like it when I get notifications, you know? Anyways, we're gonna get some stuff. I just told him! I just told them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyways, just to know Josh. Okay, anyways, but yeah. Great, my what? Yay! Okay, cool. Anyways. Okay. I'm just gonna say bye. Okay, anyways, yeah, I don't know what we're doing today. My neck hurts, you guys. Anyways, yeah. Almost at the thing that I can buy. Sorry if I don't talk that much, you guys. Okay then. Yes, I'm here! Oh my god, oh my god, Josh is so weird. Also, Josh has the channel that says he never, like, he doesn't comment that much on my video. But it's cheated. I do kind of like it myself. Because of, like, what the people said in my Discord server. Oh my god, seriously. Anyways, why are you going on my head, boy? I don't know what to talk about, guys. Also, I'm gonna stay up all night. I'm gonna stay up all night, like I do every night. I'll probably just watch some YouTube and stuff. Okay, maybe I can buy the next thing on camera. What is my brother laughing at? I don't know what my brother's laughing at. Oh my god, Josh, move! Oh my god. The Josh just put his. Okay, so I get mad when someone takes my chest or something. No, Josh, I don't need help. Oh my god. See, so whenever someone tries to take my thing, I get really mad. So, yeah. Serious, I'm almost there. I just made it there. But I'm gonna get some more coins so I can buy some pets. Okay. We're gonna buy the next level, even though Josh told us not to. But look, I have 10,203, and I'm with the next state. I wonder if this another state's after that. No, I don't. You can go though. I'm gonna say you can go though. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can buy this with you guys. Okay, guys. You ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh, no, mine don't happen now. How does Josh, I don't say, how does Josh happen now? Huh, how much does it cost? One to there though? Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, maybe okay, I don't know when I can buy it, but I'm just gonna keep on getting my things. Who else is trying to think? Nick, boy, it's still nighttime! We meet next morning. I was on, okay. Oh my god, Josh, stop jumping on me. Why does Josh keep on following me? Can you just take my things? Yeah, like, no, boy. Oh, okay, I see. I need, like, another 0. I have 10, okay. Oh my god, hurry up, pen. Okay. Oh my, it's funny, okay. It's just funny. Oh my god, why keep on jumping on me, Josh? I'm gonna say, oof. Breakfast pizza. Soul powers down. Oof, him. I don't know if you think Josh should start his own YouTube channel. Like, Josh does have not Instagram. A YouTube video. Not YouTube video. A YouTube channel, but he doesn't post on it. Come on. Boom. So comment below if you guys think Josh should, like, make videos on his YouTube channel. I want to see him record something. Like, I want to see some of his videos. Josh, my pet's weird, Josh. Just weird. Okay. Boom, 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 and boom. Hold on. What is it? 8 days later? Oh my god, kitchen. Oh my god, I don't care about streams. Okay. In control. 8 days. So far, zones. 8 days. I'm sorry, guys. I'm tired. But, okay. But yeah, I go back to school on August 13th. And I can't wait because I'm gonna be in 8th grade. So that'd be like my last year of middle school, basically. Almost, ooh, I'm gonna say, ooh. I said, Josh follows me, I'm gonna get mad at him. Yes! Oh my god! Oh, jeez. Who? Oh my god, 12 minutes. 12? Josh is about to kill me over here, you guys. Comment below if you want to trade someone for my crazy friend Josh. So it's comment below if you want Josh. Yeah, maybe I won't tell you. Okay, now. Okay, sorry if you're watching this, Josh. It's just, you know. I have a question for you guys. So I want you guys to comment below if you would care. Would you guys care if I died? That's my question for you guys. Would you, yes or no? Just comment below that down below, and I'll read you guys' answer, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna open this. Anyhow, basically, I'm collecting the clone things, and I have 63 pets, and my thing goes to like 135, I believe. Most of them. No, wait. I think it was 100. Yeah, I think it was 135 pets. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Also, go make sure to join this Evil Queen Squad group. It's right here. And this other group, no, don't join the other group that's stuck on. But just join this group chat, and if you want, or you can. Bye, Evil Queen Squad, and don't make sure to subscribe to join the Evil Queen Squad. Anyways, adios, my loves. I love you all so much. Bye.